The Thermo Scientific Helios 6 HD DualBeam FIB-SEM is dedicated to repeatably producing high-quality samples for TEM analysis. The instrument combines with Thermo Scientific AutoTEM 6 software to automate sample preparation. The software interface is divided into 4 sections: preparation, milling, lift-out, and thinning, to give you complete control of your sample. AutoTEM 6 software simplifies preparation to just a few steps. Select your recipe, assign the grid location, navigate to your region of interest, and run the recipe. The software takes care of the rest and delivers a prepared sample in less than an hour. The new Line Indicated Termination enables more precise and consistent lamella targeting than FIB-only techniques, improving thickness repeatability by 35%. During preparation, the LIT fiducial is placed over your region of interest to help the system determine the thickness and the distance to the target. LIT uses SEM Endpointing based on machine learning to improve performance on a variety of samples, provide repeatable, high-productivity TEM sample preparation across multiple systems, operators, and sites, so you can spend less time worrying about the quality of your sample and more time taking on the semiconductor industry's greatest challenges.